name on it. Got a bad name on it. Put your name, yes, put your name on it. Name on it. All the sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 on repeat.
What's up, son? What? What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl tonight, Diamond, saying I'm back again with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on to miss anything I post. And last but not least, be part of the Diamond Squad. Scroll back up and give this video a like right now. Like this video, watch my videos in full. By the way, if y'all wondering why am I still not monetized, my channel is actually under review. I did reach my watch time hour with my channel. It's just under review and it's taking a long time. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, but also if you have not seen the video I posted earlier, go and watch it. It's how to put pictures and videos on the side and how to do voiceovers. So yeah, so this video is how to do thumbnails. So I did this video before, like a year ago or a couple of, yeah, I did it a year ago, but I didn't show you how to like do certain stuff on PicCollage. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create thumbnails, and yeah, so let's get started. All right, basically I'm on my iPhone camera, so what you want to do is click on video, and the white button right there that I'm pointing to, the white button in the bottom, you want to click that, and as you click in that, it takes pictures for you as you're recording. About to show you guys in a minute, so I'm just gonna quickly delete that. As you can see, it's a picture. Oh my god, yeah, probably won't even see that when I edit this, but yeah, my freaking armpits, oh my god. But yeah, as you can see, it takes pictures for you when you do that, and that's the perfect size for your thumbnails. Alright, so now you want to go into Phonto and the stupid ad, hang on a minute. Okay, as you can see, I did that for, you know, my thing. So basically just select a picture. I'm gonna choose this picture, whatever. And oh my god, my name, oh, you know what, I'm gonna put a freaking emoji on that. Put that emoji right there, because oh, that's embarrassing. But yeah, basically just you can just type anywhere, press anywhere on the screen and put the words. As you can see, the font I'm using has like drips, like it's dripping and stuff like that. I like this font. You can use different fonts. As you can see, there's so many different fonts to choose from in here. I choose, like, I have used quite a lot of fonts on this. So yeah, I'm gonna just like size this up a bit. I'm gonna just enter that so it could be like that. And you can go to style and you can pick whatever color you want your thing to be. And you could go to stroke and you could just outline the letters so it could look bolder. And you can also click background, and this is what background does. And yeah, basically you would just press the thing in the bottom to save your thing to your phone, and yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna go into PicCollage and another ad. Bear with me, guys. Let's close that. Okay, let's go back. As you can see, I did that right there, and I'm gonna like start from scratch, show you how I did everything. So yeah, so basically I'm gonna just click the ones that I did already and just do it like that. It's not gonna fit entirely, but it's okay because when you do set it up, the thumbnail will fit. Right, so I'm gonna just, as you can see, I typed that up and I click the image, and as you can see, we're gonna get rid of the black background. So we're gonna click cut out, and then I'm just gonna cut that out, and then I'm gonna click this shape, and it gives me that right there. Oh gosh, okay. And then as you can see, that's basically it. You can just size it up, and then you use Fonto, and then you can put in the words and emojis. Now you need to have YouTube Creator Studio. You need to have this to set your thumbnails, because when you're uploading a video and it says like uploading 10%, you can easily go on this, click on the video, and you can easily set your thumbnail before your video even uploads. So just click the crayon thing on the top, and as you can see, it says customize thumbnail or whatever that shit says, and then you press change right there, and then you just click on a picture, and you can also size it up here too. As you can see from what I did with the video thing, it fits perfectly on there. So yeah, thumbnail is important, guys. So yeah, that's basically it. And that's how you do thumbnail, guys. Thumbnail is important for your viewers, because thumbnail is what makes people click on your video. Not only the title, but if they see your thumbnail is popping, they're gonna want to click on your video. If your thumbnail is like your intro or just something that you did in a video, like, people are not that much people are gonna click on it unless you have real genuine supporters. Yes, they're gonna click on it, but like, other people are not gonna click on it if they're not seeing a good thumbnail. You need a thumbnail for your videos. Don't be lazy. Oh no, I don't want to do this. You have to have a good thumbnail for your videos, because that's important. It's not hard at all to do a thumbnail. It's very easy, very straightforward. I know sometimes for certain videos you don't know what type of face expression to do, but look at other bigger YouTubers, look at their thumbnails and get some ideas from that, and maybe do your face expression like that, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this helped. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't. Follow me on my social medias is in the description box down below, and if you want to do collaboration with me, my email is in the description box. You can email me or you can DM me on Instagram. And yeah, donate to my PayPal, guys. My PayPal is in the description box. The link is in the description box. Just click the link, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.